Today we're going for kayaking. This park is located at Reston, Virginia, USA. It is an 18-acre lake, which has beautiful scenery. You can rent a paddle boat or a kayak for a ride. Kayaks and its paddles are always available here. And these are some of the colorful ones. I wanted to try this, but this time we went with paddle boat. Because we had 4 people and the kayaks are for 2 people. Here you can see a lot of geese. Goose is a swimming bird, but it looks like a large duck with longer neck and legs. We can bring some food and feed them. It's really cool. Now we're at the paddle boat station. There are some trained staff. They will assist you while launching and returning from your paddle boat ride. They provide boating life vest before getting into the boat. It's one of the mandatory safety measures while riding a boat. Now we're all good. Let's start. This lake has lots of trees on its side. It looks so beautiful during fall season with its beautiful colors. I think boating on fall season will be much more awesome. It's really amazing to go for a boating or kayaking on a beautiful day like today. If you get a chance to go there, don't miss it. Don't forget it's in Reston, Virginia, USA. It's really, really awesome. video.